Did you know that after age 30, we lose up to 5% of our muscle mass every decade? What if I told you that your grocery list could be the secret weapon against this inevitable decline? Today, I'm revealing 7 scientifically proven superfoods that can dramatically slow and even reverse age-related muscle loss. And the number 1 food might surprise you. Good day, health enthusiasts. Imagine waking up each morning feeling stronger, more energetic, and completely prepared to tackle whatever challenges await you, all while saying goodbye to concerns about muscle deterioration as you age. Today, we're delving into a topic that could genuinely revolutionize your quality of life. The definitive solution to muscle atrophy with these 7 extraordinary foods that fight against sarcopenia. If you've ever wondered why your muscles seem less powerful as time passes, or if you're searching for natural solutions to boost your strength and vitality, don't go anywhere. These nutritional powerhouses are about to transform your physical experience. Before we begin our exploration, I kindly invite you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This simple action not only keeps you updated with our latest health insights, but also shows your dedication to self-care. Your engagement truly matters and motivates us to continue providing premium guidance for a more vibrant lifestyle. In this presentation, we'll break down each nutritional champion for you, starting with number 7 and working our way to the ultimate choice at number 1. We're offering a straightforward, accessible guide filled with practical advice. Whether you're just beginning your journey toward nutritious eating or looking to enhance your current regimen, you've arrived at the perfect destination. Let's embark on your journey toward enhanced muscular well-being today. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is an extraordinary grain that has earned respect throughout centuries due to its outstanding nutritional benefits. This diminutive seed delivers an impressive concentration of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, proving that significant benefits often come in modest packages. What makes quinoa truly exceptional is its capacity to provide all 9 essential amino acids, establishing it as a complete protein source that significantly contributes to muscle restoration and development. Its substantial fiber content keeps satiety levels high for extended periods, making it an ideal selection for those aiming to maintain optimal weight while developing powerful muscles. With its gentle nutty flavor and versatile consistency, quinoa integrates seamlessly into numerous culinary creations. Whether you're preparing a vibrant salad, a heartwarming soup, a substantial side dish, or even substituting it for rice in your preferred recipes, incorporating quinoa into your regular diet provides your muscles with fundamental nourishment, ensuring they remain robust and ready for any physical demand you might encounter. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt represents an outstanding nutritional choice, offering both delectable taste and abundant nutrients that remarkably support your muscular system. Through the process of straining conventional yogurt, we achieve a denser consistency and substantially increase the protein concentration. This dairy powerhouse is loaded with protein, making it an exceptional option for muscle repair and growth. It's ideal for post-exercise recovery or as a nutritious component of your daily dietary intake. Greek yogurt not only provides a substantial protein serving, but also contains abundant calcium, crucial for robust skeletal structure and optimal muscular function. Additionally, it's packed with beneficial probiotics that enhance your digestive processes, helping your system efficiently absorb essential nutrients. Enjoy it plain, combine it with fresh fruits, or add a touch of honey for natural sweetness. Greek yogurt represents a delicious option to keep your muscles energized and healthy throughout the day. 5. Salmon. Salmon isn't merely a flavorful fish. It's a nutritional powerhouse that enhances muscular health in multiple ways. This remarkable source of omega-3 fatty acids is known for its ability to minimize inflammation and accelerate muscular recovery following physical exertion. By reducing inflammatory responses, your muscles can recuperate more rapidly, allowing you to maintain strength and endurance over extended periods. Beyond omega-3s, salmon offers abundant high-quality protein, providing the essential building components crucial for muscle repair and development. This aquatic treasure also contains a spectrum of vital vitamins, including B12 and D, alongside essential minerals such as selenium, all playing significant roles in maintaining a vibrant and energetic physique. Including salmon in your meals, whether baked, grilled, or steamed, provides a delicious and effective approach to enhancing your muscular health and overall wellness. 4. Eggs stand out as incredibly versatile and nutrient-dense foods that significantly contribute to muscular health enhancement. They represent one of nature's finest sources of premium protein, essential for repairing and building muscles following intensive activity. Each egg contains a wealth of amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of muscle tissue that your body requires for optimal recovery and growth. Beyond being protein powerhouses, eggs are rich in essential vitamins like vitamin D, critical for maintaining strong bones, and vitamin B12, which plays a key role in energy production. They're also abundant in crucial minerals such as selenium and choline, which enhance overall well-being. Whether you prefer your eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelette, adding them to your meals represents an intelligent choice to provide your muscles with the essential nutrients required for strength and resilience. Incorporating eggs into a balanced nutritional plan not only supports muscle recovery, but also delivers a delicious, energy-enhancing meal suitable for any time of day. 3. Spinach transcends being merely a leafy green. It stands as a nutritional powerhouse delivering exceptional benefits for your muscles. This verdant vegetable is abundant in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as crucial minerals like magnesium and iron, all of which contribute significantly to muscular function and overall physical potency. It's rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting muscle cells from damage and facilitating quicker recovery following exercise. Moreover, spinach offers substantial dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and enhancing your body's capacity to absorb nutrients effectively. Incorporating spinach into your meals is effortless. Simply add it to salads, blend it into refreshing smoothies, or lightly saute it for a delicious side dish. Including this nutrient-rich green in your daily diet provides your muscles with essential support, ensuring they remain strong, repair efficiently, and perform optimally. 2. Almonds. Almonds represent more than just a tasty and satisfying snack. They are nutritional powerhouses essential for supporting healthy muscular development. These compact nutritional treasures contain abundant protein, vital for repairing muscle fibers following workouts, and provide a generous serving of essential fatty acids. They boast high levels of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscles from harmful oxidative stress effects. Their elevated magnesium content enhances muscular function by facilitating both contraction and relaxation processes. Consuming a handful of almonds as a snack or incorporating them into your meals provides a reliable energy boost, reduces muscular inflammation, and accelerates your body's recovery following physical activities. Including almonds in your diet means enjoying a delicious snack while simultaneously providing your muscles with the essential support they need to become stronger and more resilient over time. 1. Chicken breast. At the pinnacle of our selection stands chicken breast, an undisputed leader in the realm of muscle-building nutrition. This lean protein source is highly valued for its premium protein content, crucial for the repair and development of muscular tissue. Chicken breast features a low-fat content, making it an excellent option for those aiming to maintain a balanced diet while pursuing their fitness objectives. Its protein profile delivers all essential amino acids your body requires for muscle building and repair, particularly following intense exercise sessions. This culinary chameleon adapts effortlessly to your preferred cooking method, whether grilling, baking, or stir-frying, and integrates seamlessly into countless dishes. It also provides essential nutrients like B vitamins, which play crucial roles in converting food to energy and ensuring metabolic efficiency. Regular inclusion of chicken breast in your meals ensures your muscles receive the essential nutrients needed to remain strong, recover quickly, and perform excellently. We sincerely appreciate your time and engagement in exploring these insights with us. Thank you for watching. We trust you found this information both valuable and motivating as you begin your journey toward building stronger, healthier muscles. Remember that achieving success requires unwavering consistency. The small adjustments you implement in your daily diet and lifestyle can lead to remarkable transformations over time. If this presentation inspired you or sparked new ideas for positive change, we'd be grateful if you'd give it a thumbs up, share it with your circle, and subscribe to our channel for more clear and impactful health guidance. Your support is essential in enabling us to create content that inspires you to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Stay committed to your wellness journey. Continue making progress, and we look forward to connecting with you in our next presentation. Embrace your path to enhanced health and vitality. Thank you for watching.